Hey guys, welcome back to Hillbillies. No, it's been a while. Just the 53 project just snowballed. We ended up with so much work to do to that car. We basically ended up replacing the whole bottom foot of the car, trunk pans, floor pans, all the outside sheet metal all the way around. Did a lot of fabricating on the firewall and stuff, and just did not have time to try to go in and video all that. Apologize for that. Didn't know it was going to get into be that much, but wanted to get you guys an update, let you see the car. I will have took pictures along the way. I'll put together a little video slide of all the different pictures and stuff, so y'all can kind of see what all we went through, all the process on this car. But let's get you over here, get a look at it, and show you what all we. Alright guys, here she is. I've kind of moved it out of the main shop right now. We're kind of to hold on the project, but got it all primered, new floorboards, got a coat of epoxy on it. As you can see right here, we replaced the bottom section of the fender from there down, new rockers. Replaced the area in front of the wheel. You can still kind of see the weld on this. Has no filler, no fiberglass, anything. It's all just been welded in. The car's been stripped down and primered, so not done any type of polyester fillers or fiberglass fillers or anything like that on the car. So yeah, you can still probably see right along, right through there is where all that was welded in at. Get you around here. Here's our floorboards. Of course, they're all still covered up from where we were doing the priming. But our floorboards are all in. Dash is stripped down and epoxied. We did have a bunch of holes right in here that we had to weld up and fix. Of course, you can still see just a little bit of pitting along through here. This was all rusted out and it had all been welded up. So, top of the car, it's pretty good shape. It's got several dents in it, here, all down this side of it you can see dents. So we'll have to work those out and put just a little bit of filler on those. There's our area in front of the back wheel, behind the back wheel. Of course, right here down, all of that's been welded back in new. Our new trunk is in. Here's our deck lid. It's all been stripped down, ready to go in. And one thing I'll show you up here, these cars came with a two-piece hood on it. Of course, we're going to keep the emblems and stuff on the front. That's what this hole here is, and this hole up here towards the front. But the hood's all been welded up and ground down, so it's ready to be slicked up. Moving around the passenger side, kind of the same thing. Bottom of the fender, and then everything in front of the below the wheels, floorboard, dash, and all of that. Behind me over here, here's our doors that we did. So, and from about right in this area here down, has all been put in new front and back. Same thing on that door over there. Let me get you a little bit better view there. So this is our driver's door. You can see down here, all of this has been welded in new front and back. Alright guys, so there you see what we've got done on our 53. It's been a long process, a lot of work. Had to square the body back up so our door gaps and everything fit good. Got some pretty good pictures of that you'll see in the slideshow. We're kind of taking a break on that one for a little while. Middle of COVID and everything, the owners are just wanting to wait a couple of months, get a little break, save a little money. So we've got a couple other projects we're going to get rolling on. So hopefully we'll be able to do some videos on that and bring you guys along on those. So appreciate it. If you like what you're seeing,